Jupiter's moon that could harbor life. The moon Europa, one of Jupiter's natural satellites, harbors a subsurface ocean of salty water beneath its icy crust. Research from NASA's Galileo mission suggests this ocean contains more liquid water than all of Earth's oceans combined. In 2024, the Europa Clipper spacecraft will launch to search for signs of microbial life there. Scientists believe hydrothermal vents on Europa's ocean floor could support simple ecosystems, similar to those on Earth. Venus winds faster than its rotation. Venus' atmosphere circles the planet in just 4 Earth days, while Venus itself takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. This phenomenon, called atmospheric superrotation, is driven by extreme temperature differences between day and night. Data from Japan's Akatsuki probe 2015 revealed winds in Venus clouds reach 360 km/h. Mercury's day longer than its year. Mercury takes 176 Earth days to complete one rotation a day but only 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun a year. This means a day on Mercury is longer than its year. The Sun's gravitational tidal forces are responsible for slowing the planet's rotation. Saturn's hexagonal storm. At Saturn's north pole lies a colossal hexagonal-shaped storm spanning 30,000 kilometers in diameter. Images from NASA's Cassini spacecraft show this pattern has remained stable for over 40 years. Scientists theorize its shape results from interactions between atmospheric jet streams and the planet's rapid rotation. Mars hosts the solar system's tallest mountain. Olympus Mons on Mars is the tallest known volcano, towering 21.9 kilometers, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It formed due to Mars' lack of tectonic plates, allowing magma to accumulate at one spot for billions of years. Neptune's diamond rain. In the cores of Neptune and Uranus, extreme pressures up to 10 million times Earth's atmospheric pressure transform methane into diamond crystals. A 2017 experiment at the SLAC National Accelerator Laboratory used high-powered lasers to confirm diamonds could form and rain into these planets' cores. HD 189,733b's glass rain. Exoplanet HD 189,733b, located 63 light-years away, endures 8,700 km/h winds and sideways glass rain. The glass particles form from vaporized silicates in its scorching atmosphere 1700 degrees Celsius, later condensing into solid shards. Hubble telescope data confirmed this phenomenon in 2007. Pluto's moving glaciers. NASA's New Horizons probe discovered nitrogen and methane glaciers on Pluto that flow like Earth's glaciers. In the Sputnik Planitia region, these glaciers form river-like patterns and may still be geologically active. Kepler-16b, a planet with 2 suns. Kepler-16b was the first confirmed planet to orbit a binary star system, similar to Star Wars Tatooine. Standing on its surface, you'd witness twin sunrises and sunsets daily. NASA's Kepler telescope announced this discovery in 2011. WSP-1b, a planet being devoured. Located 600 light-years away, WSP-1b is slowly consumed by its host star. The star's gravity strips 10 million tons of gas from the planet's atmosphere every second. Hubble observed this in 2017. The planet may be destroyed within 10 million years. Mars subsurface saltwater lake. In 2018, the European Space Agency's Mars Express radar detected a 20-kilometer-wide saltwater lake beneath Mars' southern polar ice. High salt content and pressure from overlying ice keep the water liquid, fueling speculation about microbial life. Uranus tilts on its side. Uranus has a 98-degree axial tilt, making it appear to roll around the Sun. Scientists believe this extreme tilt resulted from a collision with an Earth-sized object billions of years ago. Each pole experiences 42 Earth years of continuous daylight or darkness. GJ 1214b, a water world. GJ 1214b, 40 light-years away, is likely a water planet covered in a supercritical fluid, a liquid gas mix hundreds of kilometers deep. Hubble studies 2012 revealed its atmosphere is rich in exotic water vapor. Venus active volcanoes. Data from NASA's Magellan 1990 and the SAS Venus Express 2010 missions indicate Venus has active volcanoes, including Mountains, an 8-kilometer-tall volcano erupting large-scale lava flows. Saturn's disappearing rings. Saturn's iconic rings are slowly eroding as ice and dust rain into its atmosphere. Recent studies 2023 predict they will vanish entirely in 300 million years. Currently, 10,000 kilograms of material fall onto Saturn every second. Earth's temporary mini-moon. Asteroid 2020 CD3, trapped by Earth's gravity in 2017, orbited as a car-sized mini-moon for 3 years before escaping in 2020. Such events occur roughly once or twice per century. Mars' invisible X-ray aurora. Mars has X-ray auroras invisible to the human eye, created when solar particles interact with localized magnetic fields in its crust. NASA's MAVEN probe detected this global phenomenon in 2016. Ceres giant pyramid mountain. The dwarf planet Ceres hosts Ahunamans, a 4-kilometer-tall mountain with bright streaked slopes. NASA's Dawn mission 2015 revealed it formed from eruptions of a cryovolcano spewing salty water and mud. Proxima B's potential global ocean. Proxima B, orbiting the Sun's nearest star Proxima Centauri, may have a planet-wide ocean. Simulations by Francis C. NRS 2020 suggest its thick atmosphere could sustain liquid water despite its red dwarf star's harsh conditions. Jupiter's eternal storm larger than Earth. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a giant anticyclone raging for at least 350 years, spans 16,000 kilometers, wide enough to swallow Earth. NASA's Juno mission 2021 found it is shrinking but remains 100 times more powerful than any Earth storm. Planet KLT9b, hotter than many stars. The planet KLT9b, located 670 light-years from Earth, has a surface temperature of 300 degrees Celsius, hotter than many red dwarf stars. This extreme heat results from its close orbit to a scorching B-type star emitting intense ultraviolet radiation. Its atmosphere is constantly evaporating, creating a comet-like gas tail. A 2017 study by the University of Geneva revealed the planet loses 10 million tons of material per second. Mars' giant dust devils. Martian dust devils can reach heights of 8 kilometers and widths of 100 meters. NASA's Perseverance rover recorded the sound of a dust devil in 2022, resembling a hissing wind mixed with debris. These phenomena naturally clean dust off Martian rovers' solar panels. Planet HD 209458b has a comet-like tail. The planet HD 209458b, nicknamed Osiris, sports a 200,000-kilometer-long hydrogen gas tail, as its atmosphere is stripped by stellar radiation. The Hubble telescope captured this in 2003, marking the first observation of a planet evaporating. Venus still has active volcanic eruptions. Radar data from NASA's Magellan mission and observations by Venus Express suggest Venus Aduanmin's volcano remains active. A 2023 University of Alaska study identified fresh lava flows less than 30 years old, proving ongoing geological activity. Triton, Neptune's moon with nitrogen ice geysers. Neptune's moon Triton features geysers, erupting liquid nitrogen 8 kilometers high. Images from the Voyager to Probe 1989 show these plumes are powered by sunlight penetrating Triton's thin ice crust, making it one of the solar system's most dynamic icy bodies. Planet J1407b, rings 200x larger than Saturn's. The planet J1407b, dubbed Super Saturn, has a ring system spanning 120 million kilometers in diameter. If placed in Saturn's orbit, its rings would appear larger than the Moon in Earth's sky. This discovery, published in the Astrophysical Journal 2015, was based on starlight eclipses. Planet GJ367b, a Mars-sized metallic world. GJ367b, 31 light-years away, is 86% solid iron. Though Mars-sized, its mass equals 55% of Earth's. A 2021 German Aerospace Center study suggests it may be the remnant core of a stripped gas giant. Jupiter's moon Io, solar system's most volcanic body. Jupiter's moon Io hosts over 400 active volcanoes spewing sulfur and silicate plumes up to 500 kilometers high. Tidal forces from Jupiter and neighboring moons drive this activity. NASA's Juno spacecraft captured a massive eruption at Valon Patera in 2023, planet TOI 849b, a naked giant core. TOI 849b is an exposed metallic rocky core, likely the remnant of a gas giant stripped of its atmosphere. Neptune-sized and orbiting extremely close to its star, this discovery Nature 2020 offers clues about giant planet evolution. Mars Day-Night Sound Oddity. NASA's Perseverance rover recorded sounds on Mars, revealing slower sound speeds to 140 meters per second versus Earth's 343 meters per second. High-pitched sounds like bird chirps fade in daylight due to atmospheric interference but sharpen at night. Kepler 1649c, Earth's twin in the habitable zone. Kepler 1649c, 300 light-years away, is Earth-sized and receives 75% of Earth's sunlight from its red dwarf star. Though potentially habitable, it may be tidally locked. Rediscovered by AI in 2020 after being missed by scientists. Planet WSP76b, molten iron rain on the night side. WSP76b has dayside temperatures up to 400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize metals. On its night side, iron condenses into rain. The ESO Very Large Telescope 2020 detected iron vapor signatures at the planet's day-night boundary. Saturn's moon Titan, lakes of liquid methane. Titan, Saturn's moon, hosts lakes and seas of liquid methane. The Cassini probe discovered Croc and Mare, a sea spanning 400,000 square kilometers larger than the Caspian Sea. NASA's Dragonfly mission launching 2027 will explore Titan's organic chemistry. Planet PDS-70b, a growing baby planet. PDS-70b, a 5 million-year-old protoplanet, is still accreting material from its star's debris disk. The VLT captured direct images in 2018, showing spiral dust streams feeding its growth. Planet GJ1132b, a reborn atmosphere. GJ1132b lost its original atmosphere to stellar radiation, but regrew a secondary one via volcanic gases. A 2021 University of Cambridge study detected hydrogen, methane, and hydrogen cyanide HCN in its atmosphere. Earth's temporary ghost moon. Asteroid 2023 FW13, a 20-meter-wide object, entered Earth's orbit in 2023 and may remain a temporary satellite for 1,500 years. It shares a horseshoe orbital path around the Sun rather than orbiting Earth directly. Neptune's vanishing great dark spot. Like Jupiter, Neptune once had a giant storm called the Great Dark Spot observed by Voyager 2 in 1989. By 1994, Hubble found it had disappeared, highlighting Neptune's turbulent atmosphere. Mars iron blueberries. NASA's Opportunity rover discovered tiny, hematite-rich spheres dubbed blueberries on Mars in 2004. These 3 to 6 millimeters formations, shaped by ancient water, resemble blueberries in appearance. Uranus diamond clouds. Deep in Uranus' atmosphere, extreme pressures convert methane into diamond crystals that rain downward. A 2022 experiment at the SLAC National Accelerator Laboratory recreated these conditions using lasers, confirming the theory. Uranus diamond clouds. Deep in Uranus' atmosphere, extreme pressures convert methane into diamond crystals that rain downward. A 2022 experiment at the SLAC National Accelerator Laboratory recreated these conditions using lasers, confirming the theory. Kepler 452b, Earth's older twin. Kepler 452b, 1,400 light-years away, orbits a Sun-like star G-type in the habitable zone. At 6 billion years old, 1.5 billion older than Earth, it offers a glimpse into Earth's potential future. From iron rain on alien worlds to nitrogen geysers on icy moons, each planet tells a unique story of cosmic diversity. These facts not only captivate but also expand our understanding of planetary formation, evolution, and, in some cases,